Hello guys, today we are starting new lesson to improve our Russian. I'm improving with you because we never finish learning something. If I'm Russian, also I want to improve my Russian skills, my Russian language to be more intelligent and interesting person. So in English you have a phrase I have, so you have a lot, you have your family, job, feelings, whatever, and in Russian we have also. So to say in Russian I have, we have to think how to do that. So you should know that the construction у меня есть changing sometimes. It depends who is talking. So, for example, у меня есть, you can see here, it's new, by the way, that's why. So, у меня есть, you are talking about yourself. У меня есть. Me, меня. У меня есть. You see here will be different, and here, and here, and there. You see? Everywhere will be a different word, but another part as the same. So, у меня есть, it means I have. After the word есть, it means have, есть, have, we can use infinitive, some noun. У меня есть, I don't know, chair, stool, without changing, infinitive. У меня есть сестра, sister. У меня есть brother, брат. У меня есть чувство. Чувство means feelings. So, every word you use after this word есть will be without changing, just like you can see it in a dictionary. Do you understand? Infinitive. But the changes will be just at this part. Okay? And you should know that if you're talking about yourself, you should say у меня, and after that есть something. Есть, it means have. So, let's see. У меня есть, it means I have. У тебя есть, it means you have. Okay? У тебя есть, you have. У него есть, него means he has. But you see, in English you should say has and have changed. But in Russian, no, we don't have this structure. We have different structure, and you can see that it's not changing at all. Есть, 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 есть. You can see that. So, у него есть, it means you should use it when you're talking about him or about it. Also, you have to say у него есть. Okay? У нее, you see here two different letters. The first one е, second ё. У нее есть. У нее есть. She has something. Okay? У нее есть брат, сестра, brother, sister, or feelings, or car, flat, something. Okay? У нас, we have, у нас есть. We have, у нас есть. У них, they have. У них есть. У них есть something. Family, sister, brother, семья, сестра, брат. You should remember that next word after есть shows you what exactly you have. What exactly do you have? So, У меня есть сестра, sister. У меня есть сестра. У тебя есть сестра. У него есть сестра. Pay attention here. You see, go at the end. If you can see go at the end, we have a lot of words like that. Sometimes, maybe 99%, you pronounced like vo instead to say go. But you should know that spelling will be go. Like go, pronounce vo. Okay? У него. У него, not go. У него. But spell it as with a g. У него. But you can't say that. Sometimes maybe when you come to Russian, you can see some grannies can use it like у него, like you sound so how to say, not natural maybe, and not fashion. You're so out of date, like that. Sound like out of date. Okay? У нее. У нее, it means she has. Do you see absolutely different structure? Like we have, but when we are talking about someone who has, you say like different angle, from different thoughts and views. You don't understand? Like more English, more egocentric. So egocentric. So in English, you are talking more about personality. I have, I love, I feel. But in Russian, the same sentence looks different. We can't say I feel, I have. We're thinking differently. That something, like how I can explain it in English, you know, it's difficult. So something belongs to us. Do you understand? Like not the most important person we have, not we are. Like when I'm talking in Russian about something I have, in my mentality, not I have something, but something has me, like that. Okay? It's different. Think about it. It's so important because you can understand their thoughts and their mentality of people. For example, let's see an example. Like, for instance, if in English you need to say something someone has to do, like you should say you should do it. He should do it. I have to do it. But in Russian, when I mean someone has to do it, I just pronounce one word, need. But who need? Who will responsible for it? Nobody knows. We just pronounce needed. I can't explain because, how to say exactly, I can't explain because it would be not correct in English. In English, if you say something you need to do, you should say in English who will be responsible for it. Who need to be responsible? You need to do it, it means you will be responsible, right? I need to do it, it means I will be responsible. But in Russian, we don't need to say who will be responsible. We just say need. Need to do. Надо. Нужно сделать. Need to be done. Oh, I found some equivalent to you understand. Need to be done, but without who will be respond, without the personality. It means nobody care. To understand? It's our mentality. So at first, when you are learning language, you have to understand the mentality, because from the mentality, or vice versa, from the language to mentality, it connects so much, you know. And you should understand that this is a way to understand nationality, to speak language. Okay, so I hope this lesson was so useful for you. If you have any question, ask me. I'm always here for you. Bye.